Welcome to MSU. We're excited to welcome you to campus this fall.
Move-in at MSU is spread out over several days to keep the process running smoothly and create a more enjoyable experience for you and your helpers.
We ask that you limit your helpers to 2 people and only bring 1 vehicle with you to move in.
First thing, be sure to download the MSU app. It'll have step-by-step directions on how to get to your specific residence hall and an overview of this year's move-in process. Your regular GPS navigation will most likely not follow our move-in traffic flow.
When you arrive to campus, please stick to the date and time that you've selected, and then use the app, website, or directional signage instructions to your hall. And when you get there, a team member will help direct you to where to unload your vehicle and provide you with move-in carts to assist with your belongings.
Make sure you have one of your helpers always stay with your vehicle. And once you are done unloading your belongings in move-in carts, a driver needs to relocate your vehicle to an assigned parking lot before unpacking your belongings in your room.
At check-in, please have your government-issued ID ready if you do not already have your MSU ID. If you need to pick up your MSU ID, you'll need to go to a designated location to pick it up. When you check in, you'll receive your key, access card, meal voucher, and check-in bag. You will need your MSU ID or a temporary access card to access elevators or living wings.
The building will have signs to help you through the hall. You will be able to access your room through the main lobby, elevator, or stairs. If you have any questions, anyone in an MSU name tag can help.
If you send packages to arrive before move-in, you will receive an email or a text alert when they are ready to be picked up. This will include which package or service center to visit.
Double rooms have been set to our standard arrangement of 1 lofted and 1 trundled bed at move-in. If you would like a bed adjustment or have another maintenance need, you can fill out a maintenance request form on our website at liveon.msu.edu. Bed adjustments will begin a few weeks after move-in while we work through our other maintenance needs.
There will be trash and recycling areas outside of your hall by the loading dock. Cardboard and polystyrene will be accepted as part of our Pack-Up Pitch-In program. Please break down your boxes before throwing them into the bin. And once you're done with your move-in carts, please be sure to return them for others to use.
After you're done unpacking, we welcome you to head to one of our dining halls and enjoy something to eat. The meal voucher you received when you checked in is good for you and up to 2 of your helpers on move-in day.
Lastly, campers and trailers are prohibited in our unloading zones, so please don't bring those on campus. And don't forget to check out the Live On website for the latest move-in information.
We know it'll be busy on campus, and it may be hot, but we are here to help you successfully navigate the move-in process. Welcome home, Spartans.
Go green.